Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be talking about lip contouring. By the way, I have no lipstick on, but I had this really weird lipstick on which does not seem to leave its stain whatsoever. So I'm going to be playing with a similar shade just so it doesn't look like I have lipstick on when I really don't have lipstick on. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to contour your lips and make them look so much more poutier, yet in a very natural and in a very sexy way. So the trick with making your lips look pouty is the same technique as you would follow with contouring of your face. So we need to play with shade and light, and it's really simple. So I'm going to be using this light peachy shade, and then I'm going to be using the lip liner who's closest to the lipstick I'll be applying. So if I'm going to be applying a pink lipstick, I want to choose a lip liner close to that shade, and then I want to choose something lighter to contour my lips with. First, I'm going to use the lighter shade, and then I'm just going to start lining my lips. And you want to go outside the line and going with a lighter color, but you see how just lining this much gave it so much lift, and that's what you need. And then I want to begin with the other side. Okay, so if you mess it up, you can always clean it up with a concealer. And I just like to smudge the line a little bit just so that it doesn't look like too obvious. But for an instance, just in one line, you can see how this lifts instantly. I'm going to do the same with the top lip, but you don't want to outline the outer part because it starts looking weird and the shape kind of falls out of place. So you still want to follow the natural shape of your lips, but just outlining a bit in the center and then going inwards. And filling it in, so you see the difference again. Right, once I'm done with the outlining with the lighter shade, I'm just going to use the same lighter shade to draw 3 lines where I want the pout. So for me, let me zoom you guys in a little bit. This is where I want the pout, so 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm going to do the same on the top lip. 1, 2, and 3. And then I'm just gonna lightly tap it with my finger. And then I'm going to be using the lip liner closest to the lip shade I'll be applying. So basically I'm just filling in my lips with a lip liner instead of the lipstick, just the same way. And I'm going... You might feel weird that you might not be able to draw a nice line, but that's a one-time thing. You can always clean it up with a concealer. I prefer using liquid lipsticks more because they're easier to handle. So I'm going to be using a combination of this one from Maybelline and NYX. This is a metallic lipstick, and this is just a regular pink lipstick. This says it's matte, but it's more like demi-matte. And I like that about it because I'm so over like shiny lipsticks now that you can use them if you like them. I just don't personally like them. And I'm just gonna get the corners and then follow the line. And then you can always blend the lines together. I'm gonna go back with the same lip liner, the lighter one. I'm gonna do the 3 lines again. So 1, like that, 2, and 6, and just blend it together. And then I'm going to use this lighter shade, and that's really going to make a lot of difference. Now you don't have to use a metallic one. I just like using the metallic one more because it kind of pushes the lip forward. You could use any other like gloss or stuff too over it. And I just like to do the center and then fade it out like so. So it was just a short and sweet video that I wanted to show you guys that were just using a technique with lip liner and liquid lipstick. Now I hope you liked this short video as well. If you did, don't forget to share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe this channel before you leave because it will mean too much to me. Thank you for watching and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.